May bisita tayo. Papasok na siya. Yan, papasok na. Papasok na si Poknat. Yan, saan ka galing? Ha? Saan ka galing? Gala ka ng gala. Oo. Mukhang na siyang lambing-lambing na yun eh. Gala ka ng gala eh. Hindi ka nagpapaalam ha. Saan ka gumala ha? Ikaw Poknat. Hindi ka na si Puti. Poknat ka na. Oo, namadaming Poknat mo. Sige, kain na. Ano? Huwag na lambing-lambing. Oh. Lambing-lambing pa eh, oh. Bit sunod ang sunod. Oh. Sunod na naman. Hindi ko sunod ang sunod, ha, baby girl. Poknat. Hindi na puti pangalan mo.
Yeah, that explains Ben. They're targeting passengers.
All I know is this is bigger than just the NYPD. This is bigger than the US.
Yun.
Apparently, this
Ha?
clampdown is going
Mga anak mo dun sa labas.
in Europe, Australia. In Singapore, there's an H-8 passenger currently
Nakakain na siya.
undergoing a military training.
This is unacceptable. They can't just suddenly do this. We have to fight back somehow.
I'm not sure there's anything we can do at this